Alright, hey guys, I wanted to talk with you guys about mechanical advantage. Alright, let's see here, here we go. Okay, so when we're talking about mechanical advantage, alright, it's your ratio of the magnitude of your resistance and effort forces and the ratio of the distance of your effort and resistance force. Alright, and so when we're talking about those, breaking them down, you have your ideal mechanical advantage, which is distance of effort over distance of resistance. The big thing I want to highlight here is that this does not take into consideration friction. Friction is not taken into consideration with IMA. That's a big part of that right there. Alright, and so if we're talking about things that you want to write down in your notes, it'd be like this equation, and friction is not taken into consideration with IMA. Alright. Now these equations, you're not expected to memorize any equations. Alright, you have a formula sheet. We'll talk about that. Alright. Then you have your actual mechanical advantage. Friction is taken into consideration here. Alright. And AMA, your actual mechanical advantage, is force of resistance divided by the force of effort. Alright. Now the one thing I don't know, I'm looking for it on here. I don't see what I'm looking for. Okay. The one thing that I want to highlight for you guys is that, hold on, let me pull up a new. Is that actual mechanical advantage is equal to ideal mechanical advantage. Alright, this is called static equilibrium. I'm not going to write that out. I guess I could type it out for you guys. Alright, we're talking about static equilibrium. That's what this is right here, where your actual mechanical advantage is equal to ideal mechanical advantage. This is what we deal with and what we assume. So on all the problems that you guys are going to be doing, you can assume that the actual mechanical advantage and ideal mechanical advantage are equal to one another. Alright, they are equal. I can't stress enough how important this is. So what does that mean? Well, that means that actual mechanical advantage, or in other words, AMA, that's a horrible M. This is what happens when you're like trying to use a mouse to write in pen. So that's equal to distance of effort over distance of resistance, or IMA is equal to force of resistance over your effort force. Okay, so you can interchange however you want. Knowing this is a big deal in what we do, because you guys are going to have a lot of problems where you're going to have to plug information in, and knowing what to plug in where, and there's a lot of substitution in these equations that you're going to be doing math-wise. So it's important to know that these are equal to each other and that this is equal to this down here. AMA is equal to effort distance over distance of resistance. IMA is equal to resistance force over the effort force. Alright, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. A quick little ditty on mechanical advantage, and this will give you a little bit of advantage understanding this in your as you guys are starting to solve and work out these problems that we have. Alright, that's all I have here.